All right, you guys, we are back. We're live. We're streaming once again. Sorry about that. I had the wrong light on. So let's keep going. Let's go c5. Let's focus. Let's just take. Go e6, I guess. Knight c6 next move. Let's go here. Probably castles. Maybe a6. Good morning. Good morning to you too. Hope you guys are doing really, really well wherever you are in the big wide world. Let's go here. Maybe takes. I could have castled. I could have played a6 too. Let's just try and focus here on what we're doing or what we're aiming to do. He could move the queen. He could take. Okay. I think I'm gonna go knight a5, allow the trade. Try to go knight c4 here. I feel like I'm doing well, actually. Rook c8 incoming. I don't know what bishop e2 does, so I'm just gonna go a6 and b5, or maybe rook c8 too. Here's g4. Let's go rook c8. Idea knight c4 here. I could play b5, b4 here. Actually, I kind of like b5, b4 to hit the knight. Goes a3. Let's go here. Let's trade. Anyways, does it sound okay, you guys? You tell me if it's not. Logical. I could play g5 here. Yeah, I think I'm going to go g5 and pressure the pawn structure a little bit. We'll see if it works or it doesn't. Sound is good? Okay, cool, cool. Turn it down, turn it down. No, it should be fine, you guys. Just making sure that it's good. It should be okay, right? Okay, let's just take the pawn on e5. Probably gonna play some blitz, you guys, until we get going with Arena Kings. Let me just focus here for a second. I guess I'll just take. Why not? Bishop g5. I always have f6. I think. Let's go here. Blinded by the light. Let's bishop f4. Now if I take, I should just be up 2 pawns here. So I think I'm doing very well, but let's just double check and make sure. b3, I'll just go here. If he takes, I take. I have queen c7 now. Let's go here. Pressure the bishop. Pressure the pawn on c2. I might even just castle on the king side soon and then go rook c8 if I need to. Looks very, very good for me, though. Okay, goes queen g5, so I don't really want to take. Knight g6 is a move here. I do have to be careful how I play this. What about h6? Don't want to castle. Rook g8 doesn't look... Rook g8's maybe a move. I can obviously take. I don't want to spend too much time, so let's go... I think I'm just going to go knight g6 here to guard everything. There's no h4s. Goes castle, of course. And now I should just win the game. Because the knight's trapped still. I can still take. King is safe on the queen's king side. I should be good. Why are we on Twitch today? We're going to be going to kick very shortly, you guys. We will be streaming there. Sorry if the lighting's not perfect as well. I do apologize for that. Okay, let's just take. I don't see the tricks. Okay, wait. So bishop f5 is a move. Rook c2 is also a move. d3 is also a move. Queen d8, queen h6, not so trivial. Bishop f5 looks correct to me. This looks correct just to hit the pawn on c2. Knight f6, I just take, and back. It's also queen f7. There's also just bishop e4, which looks quite good, just to stop the mate threat on e8. And it should be very good for me, but let's make sure. Yeah, sorry you guys if it's not perfect. I apologize, but let's go bishop e4. Arena Kings is in 35 minutes. Yeah, it's pretty soon. Goes rook g1. Okay, there should be no threats here. I'm just gonna keep pushing p with d3. Open up the diagonals here. It's also d2, rook c1. It should be GG here. He resigned.